Tonight, a witness from Karen Reed's first trial is testifying again in a pretrial hearing. But if the prosecution gets its way, the next jury will never hear from her. Dr. Marie Russell is a retired ER doctor and forensic pathologist.
She believes that Boston police officer John O'Keefe's arm injuries came from a dog attack, not impact from a car. And as WBZ's Kristina Rex tells us, the defense believes that she is critical to its case.
What is that opinion?
Those wounds were inflicted by a dog attack.
Dr. Marie Russell from California is back on the stand in Dedham, testifying again about injuries to John O'Keefe's arm. A warning, this image is graphic.
Why do you say it was a dog attack?
Because there are multiple bites here.
You might remember Dr. Russell. She wasn't involved in the investigation, but analyzed autopsy photos after. She only testified briefly for the defense at the first trial, but was grilled for more than 6 hours Thursday on her theory that those injuries to O'Keefe's arm were caused by a dog, not a car.
It's the right thing to do.
Why is that?
Because there's very few experts in this area in the country. And so someone needs to be available.
When will she be needed? No decision was made about a new trial date, as the dog bite testimony took up the entire day, with new defense attorney Robert Alessi at the helm.
Were you brought in specifically for this dog attack testimony theory of the case? Is that your role?
I am not. It's a very understandable, logical question. I'm not at liberty for the protection of the defense to give my role.
One thing became clear, that Karen Reed and her team are taking a different approach this time.
We're not talking right now.
And so is the state, with Special Prosecutor Hank Brennan running the show.
Other than this trial a year ago, have you ever been qualified to testify in any state court in the entire country as a dog bite expert?
No, the issue never came up.
Dr. Russell still needs to wrap up her testimony, so she will be back here on the stand on January 7th. At that date, we will also likely find out the details of scheduling for the next trial, which is delayed, meaning it's not going to start in January. In Dedham, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.